Hello children, welcome to World of English. Do you like to learn English? I think so. ඉතින් දරුවනේ අද දවසේ පාඩම ආරම්භ කරන්නට ඉස්සර වෙලා මම මේ දුවල පුතාලට වැදගත් එක් කාරණයක් මතක් කරලා දෙන්නටයි මේ සූදානම් වෙන්නේ. හොඳින් අහගෙන ඉන්නට ඕනේ. ලෑස්ති නේද? හොඳයි. ඒ තමයි ඉංග්‍රීසි භාෂාව ඉගෙන ගන්නකොට මේ දුවලා මේ පුතාලා ඉංග්‍රීසි භාෂාව මේ ශරීරයේම කොටසක් හැටියට හිතන්නට පුරුදු වෙන්නට ඕනේ. හරියට මේ අත වගේ. මේ අත අපි කෑම කන වෙලාවට, ලියන වෙලාවට, ඒ විතරක්ද? සෙල්ලම් කරන වෙලාවට පාවිච්චි කරනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ අත දෛනිකව හැමදාම අපි පාවිච්චි කරනවා. එහෙම නැත්නම් භාවිතයට ගන්නවා. අන්න ඒ විදිහට ඉංග්‍රීසි භාෂාවත් දෛනිකව හැමදාම භාවිතයට ගන්නට ඕනේ. එහෙම කරන්නට පුළුවන් වුණොත් මේ දුවල පුතාලාට හැකියාවක් ලැබෙනවා ඉංග්‍රීසි භාෂාව පිළිබඳව වැඩි දක්ෂතාවයක්, වැඩි හැකියාවක්, වැඩි නිපුණතාවයක් ලබා ගන්නට. පැහැදිලි නේද? හොඳයි. ඉංග්‍රීසි භාෂාව හැමදාම දෛනිකව පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ කොහොමද කියන කාරණයක් මම මතක් කරලා දෙන්නම්. මේ කාරණේත් හොඳට අහගන්න. ඒ තමයි මෙන්න මේ විදිහට. දැන් පුතාලට පුළුවන් හැරි පොටර් වගේ ලස්සන ඉංග්‍රීසි චිත්‍රපටි නරඹන්නට, ඒ වගේම රූපවාහිනියේ ඉංග්‍රීසි වැඩසටහන් නරඹන්නට. ඒ විතරක්ද? ටින්ටින් වගේ ලස්සන කතන්දර පොත් කියවන්නට, තවත් ඉංග්‍රීසි සින්දුවේ අහන්නට. මෙන්න මේ වගේ දේවල් කළොත් පුතාලට පුළුවන් වෙනවා හැමදාම ඉංග්‍රීසි භාෂාව භාවිතයට ගන්නට. එහෙම කළොත් අර මම කලින් කිව්වා වගේ ඉංග්‍රීසි භාෂාව පිළිබඳව හොඳ දක්ෂකමක්, හැකියාවක් මේ පුතාලට දුවලට ලබා ගන්නට පුළුවන් වෙනවා. අන්න ඒ කියපු කාරණය අද දවසේ ඉස්සල්ලාම මතකයට ගන්නට ඕනි. හොඳයි. දැන් පුතේ දුවේ අපි ලෑස්ති වෙන්නේ අද දවසේ පාඩම ආරම්භ කරන්නට. මේ පාඩම ආරම්භ කරනකොට මම තව දෙයක් මතක් කරන්නම් පුතාලට පුළුවන්. මොකද මම මේ පාඩම ඉවර වෙන්න ඉස්සර වෙලා අභ්‍යාසයක් දෙනවා. ඒ අභ්‍යාසය කරන්නට පෑනක්, පොතක් ළඟ තියාගන්නට ඕනේ. පෑනකුයි පොතකුයි ළඟ තියාගන්නට ඕනේ. Okay. Now let's begin today's lesson. Today's lesson is all about writing simple sentences. What's it? It's all about writing simple sentences. Okay, now look at this picture. In this picture, really what you can see? You can see some boys. You can see some boys. What else you can see? You can see a river. Also you can see some other things as well. Let's see them. You see boys. Also you see a river. What's this? It's a stick. It's a stick. What's this? It's a boat. It's a boat. What are these? They are rocks. Rocks. Right. What are the words that you can see here? Now you can repeat. Boys, river, stick, boat, rocks. I think you got those words. Right. Now look at this picture again. What are these boys doing? Who are they really? They are boys. They are boys. Yes. What else you can see here? There's a river. There's a river. What's this boy having? Yes, he's having a stick. There is a stick. What else you can see? You can see a boat. There is a boat. Also you can see rocks. There are rocks. Now you can repeat these sentences. There are boys. There are boys. There is a river. There is a river. There is a stick. There is a stick. There is a boat. There is a boat. There are rocks. There are rocks. I think, children, you got those sentences. Right. Now, let's see this beautiful picture again. In this picture, you can see many things. You can see many things. You can see trees, a lady, some tourists, rocks, stream, backpacks. Okay, let's try to identify them. You can see trees. You can see trees. Who is this? A lady. A lady. Okay. What are these? Rocks. Rocks. Who are these? They are tourists. They are tourists. And also you can see a stream. Also you can see a stream. See this man? He is wearing a backpack. He is wearing a backpack, having a backpack. Okay. Now you got the words. Can you repeat these words now? Ready? Okay. Trees, trees, backpack, backpack, stream, stream, tourists, tourists, lady, lady, rocks, rocks. Clear? I hope you all got the words. Okay, children, I think you understood all the words. Let's go ahead. Again, in this picture, you see the same tourists. Also, you find some sentences. Shall we read those sentences? Are you ready? Okay. There are trees. There are trees. There is a lady. There is a lady. There are rocks. There are rocks. There is a stream. There is a stream. They are tourists. They are tourists. Okay, children. Now you can repeat the sentences. There are trees. There are trees. There is a lady. There is a lady. There is a stream. There is a stream. They are tourists. They are tourists. There are rocks. There are rocks. Okay, children, I hope you got all those sentences correctly. Right. In this table, you find all the sentences that you have learned. Do you like to know how to write those sentences? Okay, let's try to discuss how to write these type of sentences. Right. Okay, children, now look at this table. You can start a sentence using there, using there. And also you can use is and are. What I say is, you can start a sentence using there is, there are. There is, there are. Now let's try to make some sentences. There is a boat. There is a boat. There is a stick. There is a river. There is a lady. There is a stream. Okay, children, can you repeat now? There is a boat. There is a stick. There is a river. There is a lady. There is a stream. Okay, what you have to remember again, when you start a sentence using there is, you have to use singular nouns. All these are singular nouns. A boat, a stick, river, lady, stream, all these are singular nouns. So you have to use a singular noun when you start a sentence using there is. Now let's try there are. In the table you find some plural nouns. Boys, trees, tourists, stones, rocks. All these are plural nouns. So when you start a sentence using there are, you have to use a plural noun. So you can make sentences like there are boys, there are trees, there are tourists, there are stones, there are rocks. Okay, children? Right. Well, again you have the same picture that you have seen earlier, but you find some new sentences. Do you like to know what these boys are doing? Well, what these boys are doing? Yes, the boys are playing. The boys are playing. Where are they looking at? Where are they looking at? They are looking at the boat. They are looking at the boat. Look at the boat now. Yes, the boat is floating. The boat is floating. What's this boy doing? Yes, one boy is pushing the boat. One boy is pushing the boat. Do you think that they are enjoying? Yes, why not? They are enjoying a lot. They are enjoying a lot. Well, now children, can you repeat these sentences? The boys are playing. The boys are playing. The boat is floating. The boat is floating. They are looking at the boat. They are looking at the boat. One boy is pushing the boat. One boy is pushing the boat. They are enjoying a lot. They are enjoying a lot. Right. Again the same beautiful picture. We have some new sentences there. Do you like to learn those new sentences? Okay, first of all, we'll read those sentences. Are you ready? Okay, I'll help you. The tourists are enjoying the beauty. The tourists are enjoying the beauty. What are they carrying? They are carrying backpacks. They are carrying backpacks. Look at this lady. She's having a backpack. She's having a backpack. So they are carrying backpacks. What are they doing? What are they doing? They are crossing the river. Sorry. What are they doing? What are they doing? They are crossing the stream. They are crossing the stream. What is this lady doing? Yes. What is this lady doing? A lady? Yes. A lady is standing on a rock. A lady is standing on a rock. Again you can see a man here. He's wearing a cap. He's wearing a cap. One man is wearing a cap. Okay, children. Now look at this scene again. In this picture, you find some sentences. Do you like to read those sentences? Okay, shall we try them? The tourists are enjoying the beauty. The tourists are enjoying the beauty. They are carrying backpacks. They are carrying backpacks. What are they doing? They are crossing the stream. They are crossing the stream. Look at the lady. Yes. A lady is standing on a rock. A lady is standing on a rock. Look at that man here. What's he wearing? Cap. One man is wearing a cap. one man is wearing a cap. So you have to repeat these sentences. Are you ready? Okay. The tourists are enjoying the beauty. The tourists are enjoying the beauty. They are carrying backpacks. They are carrying backpacks. They are crossing the stream. They are crossing the stream. A lady is standing on a rock. A lady is standing on a rock. One man is wearing a cap. One man is wearing a cap. Well, I hope you read those sentences correctly. Right, children. Now, in this table, you find the sentences that you have learned so far. Do you like to learn how to write these sentences? Okay, I'll help you that. Do you like to learn how to write these sentences? Okay, I'll help you. Look at this table. Here you find some words like the boat, one boy, a lady, a man. The boat, one boy, a lady, one man. All these are singular nouns. When you start a sentence using one of a singular noun, you know that you have to use is. So you can make sentences like the boat is floating. The boat is floating. The boat is floating. So whenever you use is, never forget the ing form of the verb. So whenever you use is in a sentence like this, never ever forget the ing form. So you can make sentences like the boat is floating, one boy is pushing the boat, a lady is standing on a rock, one man is wearing a cap. Okay, now let's try the other sentences. Here you find the boys, they, tourists. The boys, they, tourists. All these are plurals. All these are plurals. Plurals means two or more. Two or more we call plurals. All these are plurals. So when you start a sentence using one of these plurals, you have to use are. You have to use are. So you can make sentences like the boys are playing. The boys are playing. Similarly, you can make sentences they are looking at the boat. They are looking at the boat. Also you can say the tourists are crossing the stream. The tourists are crossing the stream. Again you can say the tourists are carrying backpacks. The tourists are carrying backpacks. I think you understood the way of writing these type of sentences. Okay children, now we are trying to do a simple activity, that is writing one. So you need a pen and your book. You need a pen and your exercise book. Now get ready to write some sentences. All these sentences are very simple sentences. Okay, so just to begin, look at this picture again. In this picture you find some words. Can you see the words? Mountain range, mountain range. See the mountain range? Also you see clouds, some clouds in the sky, clouds. See these tourists? Helmets, helmets, they are wearing helmets. Who are they? They are cyclists, they are cyclists. Again you find a word sunglasses, sunglasses. And also you can see a hut. Also you can see a hut. So what are the words? Clouds, hut, sunglasses, mountain range, helmet, cyclist. All these are nouns. Also here you find some verbs. Here you find some verbs. What are the verbs you find there? Riding, riding, wearing, wearing, smiling. Riding, wearing, smiling. So what I want is, I want you to write some sentences using the verbs given here, also using the nouns. So use these nouns and the verbs given to write some sentences. Here we are going to describe this picture. We are going to describe this picture. You can use the nouns and the verbs given to write some sentences describing this picture. Right. Now you can write sentences like this. So can you write down these sentences in your books? Number 1, this is a picture of a mountain area. This is a picture of a mountain area. I hope you are writing. Okay, boys and girls, come on, go on writing. I hope you have finished the sentence 1. Look at number 2. There is a mountain range. There is a mountain range. Can you write down that as well? Number 3, there are clouds in the sky. There are clouds in the sky. Number 4, there is a hut in the picture. There is a hut in the picture. I hope you have written all these sentences. Can I read them again? This is a picture of a mountain area. There is a mountain range. There are clouds in the sky. There is a hut in the picture. Okay. Well, let's try to write a few more sentences. Number 5, there are 2 cyclists. There are 2 cyclists. Number 6, they are wearing sunglasses. They are wearing sunglasses. Number 7, they are riding bicycles. They are riding bicycles. The last one, are you happy? Okay. They are smiling. They are smiling. Okay, children, I hope now you have written 8 sentences describing this picture. Okay, children, we have come to the end of today's lesson. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Before I wind up today's lesson, I want you to remember these 2 things. English is fun. Yes, I can. English is fun. Yes, I can. Thank you.